Oh, someone called me back. Should I pick it up? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, this is right. This
Yeah, yeah.
okay, okay. So basically, these are sales calls. Do you want to hang up or you want to give me 30 seconds? Then you can decide.
Cell call. What kind of cell?
Yeah. So basically, people invited me because they're struggling with something for their photo studio and something like that. That's
Okay,
cool.
thank you.
So,
Bye.
can I ask you one last question before I go?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Right now, do you get appointments just from Google or not?
Yeah, from Google, from Insta, from Facebook, and WhatsApp.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah,
Because I just
alright.
saw your Google My Business is not verified, so you could improve better on that, but you don't need that, right?
Yeah, so far so good.
Okay,
Thank you
okay.
very much.
Okay, good.
Okay, thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
That was pretty good call, don't you think so? I talked with him about 1.5 minutes already, even though he was not a good fit at the end of the day because he mentioned to me that, yeah, we're doing good already. We set up appointments from Google, from Facebook, from Instagram. So maybe it's not a good fit to kind of help him set up appointments, right? But maybe we can come down from another angle, right? Even though, and that's a good question that actually I should ask at the end, right? When I already open up another one more chance by saying that, hey, before I go, can I ask you one last question? And most people, they will say yes to it, right? And there you go, you can get another one chance to ask them more question. And that's super critical. When you want to ask that question, it has to really pinch what they needs, what they want. And if you can get them there, then they will say, all right, let's continue conversation, right? But if not, it's totally fine. Move on, right? Go to the next one. But just now, I think the question that I should really ask is about, let's suppose if you can really get appointments and you take all of those appointments, right? And you can, let's say you can close them to become your revenue, or become your clients. What are the things that you think can be improved? Maybe from the price point, maybe from the quality of the appointments, or even some other things. Maybe it's not about the appointments, right? So it's very critical and important when you are doing some cold calls, you need to know what they're really struggling with, right? Because if you're calling people that they don't have any needs and they don't have problem awareness, when you call them out, it's just not a good fit because you cannot help them. Even though maybe they say, yes, let's get into the call, in the Zoom call, you will just waste another 30 minutes because they already have what they want and they don't need that. So the first thing that you gotta know on the sales calls, on the call calls, is that really move them emotionally. If they cannot really move emotionally, then there's no point talking to them any longer because they're not going to transform, become the clients that you want. All right. So see you in the next video.